Hello everyone, so today we are going to understand about the parasympathetic supply of the parotid gland. We have three types of glands: parotid, submandibular and sublingual. So the parasympathetic supplies the parotid gland and helps in the secretion of the saliva. So it starts from the inferior salivatory nucleus in the brain, and then it passes through the glossopharyngeal nerve, that is the ninth cranial nerve, and from here the preganglionic fiber pass through the tympanic branches and tympanic plexus, and along with the tympanic plexus it passes through the lesser petrosal nerve, and then after passes through the lesser petrosal nerve, the preganglionic fiber relay in the otic ganglion, and after that the postganglionic parasympathetic fiber along with the postganglionic fiber along with the auriculotemporal nerve, it supplies the parotid gland and helps in the secretion of saliva. So the mnemonics to understand this is that we know that after seeing the fruit there is increase in salivary secretion. So the mnemonic is: I go to take lychee, orange, pineapple, apple, pear. Okay, then I go to take lychee, orange, pear, apple, pineapple. Okay, where I means inferior salivatory nucleus, G is glossopharyngeal nerve, T is tympanic branch, then T is tympanic plexus, then L is lesser petrosal nerve, then O is the major ganglion of the parotid gland, that is otic ganglion, then P is the postganglionic fiber along with the apple means auriculotemporal nerve, and then pineapple reaches to parotid gland. So the mnemonic says I go to take lychee, orange, pear, apple, pineapple. So this was all about parasympathetic or the secretomotor pathway. Now coming to the sympathetic pathway, here the preganglionic fibers originate from the superior cervical ganglion. From here it passes and the fiber travel through the sympathetic plexus around the external carotid artery, and these fibers are vasomotor, meaning they affect the blood vessels within the gland and helps in the stimulation which result in the thick saliva. So the parasympathetic fiber, which we have already learnt, these carry the fibers to the parotid gland and stimulate the secretion of watery saliva, whereas the sympathetic pathway, it helps in the secretion of thicker saliva or the stickier saliva. So this was all about the secretomotor supply of the